Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to stretch images in Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the right side of your screen. Under layers, you're gonna find this little plus icon. Click on it and then go ahead and click on image. And after that, you can select an image from your PC. So for example, I'm gonna select this one. So once you select the image, you can go ahead and click right here. And then you can adjust the image size to the frame. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. We're gonna adjust it to the frame like this. And now we're gonna zoom in again. So basically guys, if you want to stretch this image, go ahead and right here next to aspects, you're gonna find two options, fixed and free. If you click on free, as you can see guys, you can stretch the image like as you want. And right here, you can also resize it here with numbers. You can change the position. You can also rotate it to the left, to the right, or flip it horizontally, or also flip it vertically. You can also add an animation. And right here, you can also duplicate the image. And lastly, you can delete it from here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.